Oh?
Mother.
Oh? Yes, dear. Hey, later. How are you?
I'm very okay. Anyway.
Support you all the way, late.
Thank you, man.
We miss you very much. Hope to see you very soon.
I miss you too, man. Gusto namin ni Kuya, sabi ko, gusto ko mag-sorry ni mo. Kasi, abi na ako na hindi ka mag-support na ako diri sa ano.
At first of course po ay, di ba? Pero suot na naman po. Basta yun, that changed by the way na what you are now. Okay lang.
Yeah, to hear you say that.
Lisod man dahil na dyan, no?
Oo, lisod. Happy ni mo dua-dua lang.
Dapat sila juga dito. Daro-daro ka lang na. Okay.
Pero gaya, hina din kaga kung lipay ka. Hindi ako diri.
Slater, magpaalam ka na.
Kailangan na daw ko mag-goodbye.
Sige.
Love you, man. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
See you soon. Bye-bye. It's a good feeling po, Kuya, to know your parents are proud of you. Thank you so much, Kuya. Noong una, parang nasyak ako. Sobrang happy yung mood niya. Very happy to hear her like that. At first, hindi daw talaga. Pero daw, nakita niya daw. Sabi niya na mabait naman daw ako. She's basically very proud of who I've become.
Slater,
Po.
na 5 buwan na magkasama tayo, nakita ko rin naman kung ano yung mga sinasabi ng iyong ina sa iyo. Slater, ako rin proud bilang kuya mo.
Thanks, Kuya. I'm happy to have you as my Kuya. And there's no greater gift than Kuya for a child to know that their parents are proud of him. Paano na nag-big winner, Kuya? Thanks so much.